guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Global Value Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about my experience of investing in the crypto because I've been researching a lot about the NFTs and crypto, and recently I was thinking about investing and I did my first investment. So I'm going to talk about my experience so far with the crypto and how it's going for me because I am completely new to it. So I'm going to sharing my own experience as a newbie in the crypto. So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end. And before guys going into the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And only yesterday we have launched our new platform to help you guys make more money online. Though that platform contains the free graphics, the free KDP interiors and free patterns and so much more for helping you making money by print on demand, by KDP. And yeah, so if you want to download those freebies, I'm going to link this platform. The link is in the description box below. It's the website, that's the globalcreative.com. You can go on that website and you can check the freebie section and you can download it. And each month we will going to be adding new freebies to this platform. So make sure to check it out each month to download the new freebies, and which is having the full commercial license way you want to. So now let's talk about the main part of the video guys. Now talking about the crypto, I am a completely newbie to the crypto guys. I haven't I'm not an expert in this area guys, since I'm a completely newbie to this crypto, to this area of the NFTs and all. So I'm gonna give my advice or my things based on my own personal experience and knowledge so far with it. So please do take my advice with a grain of salt. Don't take it as an expert advice or as a financial guru or something like that. Take it as a normal person, like a human being who is talking about his own experience about that. So take it in that way guys, please. It's really important because I'm not an expert, and don't take my advice as that I'm 100% perfect, I'm 100% right. No, it's just my experience. It may be right or it may be not wrong. A few weeks back only, I uploaded a video talking about the NFT on this channel. I think that was the only one video in which I talk about the NFT, and after that I didn't upload any video related to that. But I've been researching a lot about that because since it's a new thing, and also there is so much hype about the crypto and the NFTs, and there isn't so much hype, and I was like, okay, there is a hype, there is a opportunity over there, but still I need to do a proper research before investing my money into it, because at the end of the day, if you are investing your money and you don't know anything about that thing, then you might end up losing that money. So I don't want to do that. I just want to do my complete research before investing into anything in the online or in general, so that I know what I control in that particular thing, since I'm putting my money into it. So I want my control over it. So that's why I was researching a bit, and there were so many apps and so many websites that help you provide that facility to invest in the crypto. Now crypto, for those of you guys who don't know, it's a digital currency, and there are so many digital currencies like the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Ether, the CRO, the Cardano. There are so many cryptocurrencies out there. The most popular one is the Bitcoin, and I guess after that it is the Ethereum, and then the new one that is recently in trending is the Dogecoin. I've heard a lot about that, but I haven't invested in the Dogecoin. So there are many apps which can help you investing in the crypto, but I know a few of them which I see that it's working so now fine for me. But again guys, please take my advice with a grain of salt, because it's a risky route to invest money until you don't know anything about it. So one is the Coinbase, the second is the crypto.com, the third one is the Gemini, and then IFO Block is also there. There are so many applications and websites are there which allow you to invest in the crypto, in the NFTs. So you need to do your research before investing into anything. So I started with the Coinbase recently, like it was 15 days back. I downloaded the application that is the Coinbase, and I started with that. But I did all the login criteria, all the things that they were asking me for verification, for my mobile number, for my identification number. I did all those things, and they were then asking the payment information. So when I'm gonna put my payment information into the Coinbase, it wasn't working for me. It was saying that my account is restricted and I can't I can't buy any crypto from that. I don't know why was that so, and then I did a research on the Google to know why exactly that is. Then few people have some other reasons and all, but I don't know what is the exact reason of that. So I contacted the help center, sent them an email and try to contact them to know about the situation, why is that happening, and how and when they're gonna resolve it. So I sent them a bunch of the emails, but I didn't get any reply from them so far. So I'm still waiting to get a reply from the Coinbase. So, but I was so much excited to invest in the crypto, so I wasn't able to wait for Coinbase to get to me back and solve that issue and all that. So that's why I downloaded the second application, that is crypto.com. Now crypto.com is an application, guys. It's also having a website, but mainly they have the mobile application as well. So I downloaded that, and you download it. They have so many cryptocurrencies in that, and it's it's a new application for me as well. You need to provide your bank details, your credit card details to buy the crypto, and then you can put it on the stock for some months, like for the 6 months, for the 7 months. For those of you guys who don't know what is stocking is that you're keeping your cryptocurrency locked for some amount of time, and in that amount of time you don't touch that amount of the crypto. You just keep it as a some sort of like a stock, you can say, or some sort of like money that you have invested, and you're keeping it there locked for 6 months or 2 months, whatever time you decide. The more you keep stocking, the more you make money from that. So that's what I learned from the crypto.com. Like, they have the original card system, the RuPay card system, and the different card system they have, and depending on how much you are investing in that, you can get their card system, and each card system has their own perk. Like you can get the Netflix, the Amazon Prime, and you can also get the different shopping discounts and coupons if you're shopping online. So they have the different perks related to their cards, but I haven't purchased the card yet. I just invested a few dollars into the cryptocurrency, because since I'm new and I'm still investigating about which type of card should I need to go for, so that's why I didn't invest it in the card. I just invested some money into the cryptocurrency. I bought some cryptocurrency. Now it was like they were having so many cryptocurrency on the platform. Bitcoin is obviously the top one of the cryptocurrency. Then you can go with the Ethereum, the Cardano. They also have their own cryptocurrency, which is a CRO. So I bought few of the CRO, and I bought few of the Ethereum, and like some sort of like that, guys. Now I haven't invested huge money into that. I just bought the few currency based on the few bucks only, because I'm new and I don't want to risk my money putting so much money into it without knowing anything about it or without having full control over it. So many channels, so many YouTube channels are talking about the crypto. Like, there is a big hype currently, and people are expecting the crypto to increase in the next upcoming years. Like, it's kind of like a stock market, you can say, and they're expecting it to increase in few years, and you can see that your cryptocurrency would increase and you can make a good amount of money if you are investing and holding it for some time. So depending on your own strategy, depending on which type of coin you go for and which type of currency you purchase and how you hold it and all that, it depends on that a lot about how much you can expect to make from it. Now currently I'm not expecting anything out of it. I'm just experimenting it. I'm just saying that, is it for me or not? Can I do it or not? Like, is I really enjoy investing or not? Because if I just solely focusing on making money from it, then I might get burned out, because it's not a quick money making scheme, or it's not like that you're just gonna buy $1 million cryptocurrency right now, tomorrow it will going to be $1 billion. No, it doesn't happen that way. Like, it fluctuates a lot. Like, when I downloaded that mobile application, I'm daily getting the notification from that mobile app saying this today it's an up, today it is down, up, down, and all that. It fluctuates really a lot, and I've been getting those notifications, and so I'm still researching and I'm still looking at what is the best currency to invest and how much time I can put it as a hold, or maybe resell them, or maybe turn into some other currency, or go for some other mobile application. But one thing I have learned, guys, that if you are investing in the crypto, go for the multiple websites or multiple mobile application, because these big mobile applications like the crypto.com, the Coinbases, the Gemini, these, like, I have heard of few, these are quite big and they have the support system, but I think that their support system is not like they're gonna reply within you 24 hours. So they may take 4 more days to reply you back, and you feel that if you have invested so much money into just one mobile application and that is down, then you might feel like you are losing your money. So I would say that you can probably invest in multiple different websites, multiple different platforms, and then figure it out which one best for you and do according to it. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, is that when you are purchasing the crypto, you can hold on. If you're holding your crypto for 6 months, then you can get some kind of thing to store your cryptos. Now there are the softwares out there which you can use for holding the crypto. Also there are some physical hardware is also there, like hardware is the physical only, so the hardware is also there in which you can store your cryptos in the form of the keys. Now I don't know exactly how to do that. I just saw that video and that was quite interesting, that you can have the hardware in which you can store your crypto and you have your keys. Nobody can take that crypto from you and you can hold it for as much time as you want to, and then you want to sell it, then you can connect it with your mobile application or website, whatever you are using, and then you can resell that. So there are so many layers to this crypto, but I'm just learning and trying to see that whether I can do it or not, like it's for me or not. I know that it's not a rich money making scheme. I can't expect to be rich within a month or within a few days. So my expectation right now is kind of like quiet. I'm not having a huge expectation because I need to learn a lot, and then I need to think that okay, this is the strategy that best suits for me, so I'm gonna do it more and make more money from that. So that's all my experience with the crypto so far, guys, and I haven't made any video on this channel talking about the crypto, but I really today felt like I need to talk about it because I invested recently only. So maybe if you guys are also looking for investing into crypto, maybe it can help you, or maybe you can connect with this video, whatever it is, guys. But do let me know in the comment section below, have you invested in crypto or not? Like, what's your experience so far? And what's your favorite currency and many things. I would really love to talk to you guys in the comment section below. And if you want me to make more such videos talking about the crypto, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make more depending on my own experience and knowledge. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.